7 money habits keeping you poor. Most people think staying poor is caused by not making enough money, but in reality, it's usually caused by habits. Small financial decisions repeated every single day slowly shape your future. And the scary part is, many people follow these habits for years without realizing they are destroying their finances. If you want to build wealth, you first need to stop the behaviors that keep you broke. Here are 7 money habits keeping people poor. Point 1, not tracking your money. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. They spend automatically without thinking. Coffee here, food delivery there, subscriptions they forgot about. And at the end of the month, they wonder why they have nothing left. If you don't track your money, you lose control over it. Even people with high incomes can struggle financially because they spend blindly. Tracking your money does not mean obsessing over every dollar. It simply means being aware, because once you understand where your money goes, you can finally start directing it toward your future instead of wasting it. And when you clearly see your spending habits, you can finally understand what needs to change. Point 2, depending on one income source, relying on only one paycheck is risky. If that income disappears, everything becomes stressful immediately. Bills, rent, food, debt. That is why financially successful people usually build multiple income streams. They invest, they build side businesses, they create online income, they develop valuable skills. Even a few hundred extra dollars every month can create more security and freedom. The goal is not to work endlessly. The goal is to reduce financial vulnerability. Because when all your income depends on one source, your financial future becomes fragile. If you want to start, go on YouTube and search how to make money online or how to start a side hustle. There is a lot of valuable information available for free. Point 3, ignoring financial education. Schools teach many subjects, but most people never learn how money actually works. They do not understand investing, taxes, debt, assets, or financial planning. As a result, many people spend years working hard without building real wealth. Financial education changes the way you think. You begin to understand how wealthy people use money differently. Instead of only working for money, they make money work for them. And today, learning financial skills is easier than ever. Books, podcasts, videos, online courses, the information is everywhere, but most people never take the time to learn it. You can start small, read 15 pages of a book every day, or watch one video about financial knowledge daily. But remember, right, not all advice on the internet is good advice. Think critically and do your own research. Point 4, waiting to start investing. Many people believe investing is something they will do later. They think, I'll start when I make more money. But waiting is extremely expensive because investing is powered by time. The earlier you start, the more compound growth works in your favor. Even small investments made consistently over many years can become life-changing. Meanwhile, people who delay investing often spend decades trying to catch up. You do not need to be rich to start investing. You simply need to start. Point 5, trying to get rich quick. Most people want fast success, fast money, fast results, fast wealth. That is why so many people fall for unrealistic promises. Crypto scams, fake gurus, risky trading strategies, guaranteed returns. But real wealth usually grows slowly. It is built through consistency, patience, and smart decisions repeated over time. The obsession with getting rich quickly often causes people to lose the little money they already have, because emotional decisions usually lead to financial mistakes. Building wealth is not about speed, it is about sustainability. Think twice before making financial decisions. And remember, real results take time. Point 6, confusing income with wealth. A high income does not automatically make someone wealthy. Many people earn a lot of money, but spend almost all of it. They upgrade their lifestyle every time their income increases. Bigger apartment, more expensive car, luxury vacations, constant spending. And despite earning more, they still live paycheck to paycheck. Wealth is not about how much money you make, it is about how much money you keep. Someone earning less, but investing consistently can become financially free faster than someone with a massive salary and uncontrolled spending habits. Income creates opportunity, but habits create wealth. Point 7, avoiding risk completely. Many people avoid all financial risk because they are afraid of losing money, so they never invest, never start a business, never learn new skills, never take opportunities. They stay inside their comfort zone for years. But avoiding all risk can actually become one of the biggest financial risks of all, because inflation keeps rising, costs keep increasing, and staying in the exact same position often means slowly falling behind. Wealth usually requires calculated risk, not reckless decisions, not gambling, but the willingness to step into uncertainty when opportunity appears. The people who grow financially are usually the people willing to take smart risks others are too afraid to take. Those were 7 money habits keeping people poor. If you can avoid even a few of these habits, you can completely change your financial future over time. That's it. If you have a question about any specific topic, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.